Hi guys, this is Nidhi and in this video I will be sharing some tips and tricks to make your lips look much more fuller and bigger with makeup. Yes, that's right. We won't be talking about any painful technique, telling you guys some really easy tips here which will really help your lips look much more pouty and bigger. So I'll be using these three products in this video to make my lips like this, bigger and fuller. This is a lip definer or a lip pencil, then a lipstick and a clear gloss. Well, all these products are 100% vegetarian. These are vegan products. They are 99% natural and really good for your skin. So let's get started with the video. Alright, so the first tip that I would like to share with all of you is to make sure that your lips are absolutely smooth and well hydrated before you start applying your lipstick, which means you can always use a little bit of scrubber and a toothbrush to scrub your lips to remove all that chapped skin or dead skin so that you have a smooth surface and a smooth skin to work on. Now I'm taking this lip liner from Lotus. This is called Lotus Ecostay and the shade that I'm using is called Red Rebel. So now I'm using this lip liner to outline my lips, starting with the Cupid's bow. So I'm taking it slightly above my original lip line. Same here at the lower lip area. So I'm not going overboard with outlining my lips so that it looks a little natural and not like those duck lips. So for that, I have only outlined the center part of the upper lip, which is the Cupid's bow, and the center part of the lower lip. On the sides, I have followed the original line, my lip line. Now I'm filling my lips with this lip liner. Also make sure that your lip liner is sharpened properly so that the application is smooth and easy. Also, one more tip here girls, whenever you're working on your Cupid's bow, whenever you're lining it, make sure it's not very pointed. That doesn't look nice. It looks very fake and unnatural. So make sure that there's a slight curve here when you are applying the lip liner on the Cupid's bow. So I've not filled my lips completely with this, but yes, I have definitely just brought this lip liner a little down and filled some part of my lips with the lip liner. Now I'm going ahead with this lipstick from Lotus. Now this lipstick is shade Tangy Red BM27. So this is the beautiful red shade which I'll be applying now. So just applying this lipstick all over. It's actually very creamy and it smells really good. I'm sure you all can notice my lips are already looking slightly bigger and fuller, but I'm going to show you another trick which will help your lips look much more fuller. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking a little bit of this concealer and a flat brush and applying little concealer right here at the center to create an ombre effect. Alright, so this is how the lips are looking after applying the concealer. So this ombre effect basically will highlight the center part of your lips even more, and it will make your lips look much more bigger and fuller. Alright, so now the last part is to apply some gloss. I am using this lip gloss, which is called Pro Edit Lip Plumper Plus Lip Gloss. So this is the transparent lip gloss that I'm applying. So this shade is called Clear Glass. Well, this is how easy it is to make your lips fuller and bigger using makeup. So no lip injections, no pain, nothing. So this painless technique is absolutely easy. So do try it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys again. Bye.